That is crazy.
It's one crazy road to cross, I tell you.
Yeah. Alright, so continue our walk into city center.
That's right. Hello guys, this is going to be a 4K walk through Montego Bay. I want you guys to enjoy the place, and also I'm going to be sharing also a plaza with a big shopping places where you can shop, and so I'm also going to share that with you along the journey as well. So let us start this journey. Please relax back and enjoy the video.
Yeah. We just have to wait and see, you know?
Yes, we just have to wait and see, yeah. Keep Jamaica beautiful, you know.
Definitely.
I love the car there. The cars were very nice. That is my type of car I would buy.
Okay. The fast place over there. Yeah. Oh, look at this one.
Geometry, huh?
Noni.
Oh, Noni, yeah.
Yeah. And you have lots of Noni.
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
Lots of Noni on the tree, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, please, look at that, lots of Noni.
Yeah.
That's some right here as well, guys. Look at it there, see? I really love this place over here, you know? Very nice place, guys. It's quite a big market, isn't it? Really big. And just look at the lovely coconut trees as well. So remember, guys, these are coconut trees, not palm trees. Yes, we do have palm tree here in Jamaica. Yes, palm trees further down, but this is the coconut trees here. Yeah, these are coconut trees, guys, here in Jamaica. The palm tree will be after, I believe, after these last two coconut trees will be the palm tree down the bottom here. Police is writing up a man a ticket. How there it is from outside, guys. You can get to see a better view of it from that side. Yes, beautiful. Look at that. Jamaica. That's the Jamaican police back there, guys. Look at this, guys. This is called a cart. See? This is where people do their business. And they got the wheels that can drive as well, guys. Look at that. You can drive it and all that, yeah? Cart and all that. There's a man on the side of the road. They're selling. What is he selling? Selling some steering. He's selling, yeah, wipers. Yes. Well, there's a fruit man. I don't know if it's sneeze man.
Yeah, man.
You on the move? Yeah.
Okay.
What fruit that big man? And he's going up?
Yeah, I want to do.
Yeah, a video, where video?
Okay.
Video.
Yeah, a video.
Yes. Yes.
And he's very long?
Right about the clock.
How much you want of them? Them ready for eat?
No, me not tell them right. Tell them full.
Oh, sell them full. I feel like eating them and I just have to eat them right now, you know? I don't have to eat them right now.
No, they put the right one anyway.
Oh, man, I'm selling these where there.
My knees by my son,
You
man.
walk with them in the right. Then turn by me around juice.
Yeah, man.
Very nice job, man.
You know, just a little business. Years now with us, you know.
Really?
Years.
Years, man.
Okay.
Years.
All right, me walk.
Yes, my brother.
Our knees are my hair.
Man, years with them on the black hair, you know.
Yeah.
I see if we can do it, continue.
Yes. So this is the hardware shop without what?
The auto supply without window, no window, no door.
Okay.
Yes, you just grab and go.
Grab and go.
Right.
All right.
You know, that's so you don't have a problem with the parking. You can just come by Busiest, get a park and just come by Marlin.
Right.
The auto supply.
All right.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Yeah, and we are here every day.
Every day.
Yes.
All right.
Right there.
Yes. All right. So.
We have the shamai, we have the thing to wash the car,
Yeah.
yeah. We have the steering cover with the cell belt, cell wiper blades, sun visor, all different stuff, you know.
You have the whole work.
We have the whole thing.
Yeah. So how much for the shamai?
250
250.
and 300.
Oh, 250 and 300.
Yes.
And the steering cover?
Yeah, we have 2 grand and we have 2,500, 3,000.
Okay.
Yes, different price.
Different price.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Yeah,
All right, man.
Yeah, man. All
Right
right.
time, Mr. Clean, liquor stall, you know.
Yes. All right, Mr. Clean.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So.
Mankind, man no mean. Man straight and man no lean.
Yes.
God come first.
Exactly.
Devil come last.
Yes, my brother.
Right this one.
Right, yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. So make sure you come and check out.
Marlin, Auto Supply.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Mr. Clean.
Yes,
right
man.
at the clock.
Yeah.
Uptown.
All right.
Right at the ground of the clock. Uptown.
All right, Mr. Clean.
Yes.
One love, you know.
One love.
Yeah, man.
One heart.
One heart.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, man. All right. So we are continuing our journey, you know.
Yes.
connection I work on it.
The mark. Yeah.
Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, Ate, Maserati. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at the video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.